Welcome to this edition of BurnTech University presented by Breckwell. In today's video, we'll show you how to properly replace the high limit Thermodisc in your SP1002 Big E2 pellet stove.
Always refer to your owner's manual. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on the stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you.
The only tool needed for today's project is a 5/16" socket driver. Before starting our project, first make sure your stove is completely cool and then remove the power cord from the back of your stove. Using your socket driver, loosen and remove the 3 screws along the back side of the stove that secure the side panel to the stove. Then pull the side panel down and away from the top of the stove to remove it. Locate the control board and unplug the white Molex plug at the bottom of the control board, being careful not to pull the wires loose from the plug. Start by removing the 2 wires connected to the terminals on the high limit switch. Now remove the limit switch by first removing the bottom bolt completely. The limit switch will slide down and can then be removed from the stove. To install your new switch, simply slide it in place, replace the bottom bolt, and then tighten both bolts with your socket driver. Once the bolts are tightened, then replace both wire leads connected to the wire terminals on the limit switch. Going back to the inside of the stove, connect the Molex plug to the bottom of the control panel, making sure the retaining clip snaps properly. You can now push the side panel back into place and replace the 3 screws securing it to the back side of the stove. Now that our project is complete, be sure to plug the stove back in and turn it on to check for proper operation.
Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you.
Now that our project is complete, be sure to plug the stove back in and turn it on to check for proper operation. Should you have any further questions, please visit our website at www.breckwell.com or contact our customer service toll-free at 1-866-606-8444. Thank you for watching BurnTech University.